Hello everyone. Today we will learn some animals in English. Let's begin. A cat. A cat. A cat. A dog. A dog. A dog. A parrot. A parrot. A parrot. Crocodile. 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 A lion. A lion. A lion. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. A rabbit. A rabbit. A rabbit. A giraffe. A giraffe. A giraffe. A monkey. A monkey. A monkey. A panda. A panda. A panda. A zebra. A zebra. A zebra. A hippo. A hippo. A hippo. An elephant. An elephant. An elephant. A snake. A snake. A snake. A fish. A fish. A fish. A camel. A camel. A camel. A deer. A deer. A deer. A horse. A horse. A horse. A cow. A cow. A cow. A squirrel. A squirrel. A squirrel. A dolphin. A dolphin. A dolphin. A butterfly. A butterfly. A butterfly. A tiger. A tiger. A tiger. A bear. A bear. A bear. A chameleon. A chameleon. A chameleon. A koala. A koala. A koala. A duck. A duck. A duck. A donkey. A donkey. A donkey. A peacock. A peacock. A peacock. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check another one at our channel. Happy learning!